Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of you don't have permission to access on the application of Clubhouse. You'll enter to settings. Then this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will search about Clubhouse and you will enter. Then this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you can click on storage. Then you can click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention and your watching.